Hey guys, today we'll be talking about this Range Rover. I'm going to show you where the fuse box location is. So the first one we're going to be looking at is going to be under the hood. To open the hood, just put a latch inside, and this right here, and it's located right under here. You might have another one that's here, clip you have to take off, and one right here. I'm missing one, so it might be similar, it might be different. So you do that, and that comes up. Just carefully take that off, and your fuse box is located right in here. To get to there, you have to press, I believe, one right here, one right there. Press it out, and there's one here as well. And that comes up, and there's your fuses. And fuse location are right in here, and your spare fuses right here. You also have this fuse puller, which is nice. I believe this one's for bigger ones, and this is for smaller ones. Actually, maybe you can use just this side for all of them. Like this, pressing it, locks it, and then you pick it up. And you change which one you need to change. Pressing it, let it go, push it in. I believe those are your fuses, the spare ones, and there's small ones too, same way. You just go like this, click, pick it up, and let's put this one back. So, and there's your fuses location right in here, and it shows which one's for which. To put it back, just line it up. Put this one back. You might have another one, you might have another cover here, but that's how you take it off to get to this one. And the second one's gonna be inside. To get to your second one, it's gonna be in the passenger side glove department. You open this, and then you have opening here. You have to press here and press there. I have a struggle. There's your fuses. And fuse box location right on here. To close it, you just line it up. And there you go. Once you're done here, make sure everything's closed. I believe there's a third one. That one should be in the trunk. There's no room to open the trunk for me, so I'm gonna have to get through inside. So when you look, it's gonna be on the driver's side. You have this panel. It's usually sitting like this. All you do is just like pull on it. That comes off. And there's your fuses and relays. That's the third one. And the location is gonna be right on the cover. To close it, just line it up. And there you go. So if yours has cover here, mine's taken off, it's probably going to be on clips. So you have to do is just take the clips off, take the cover off, if you do have more covers right here. But it is located right in here. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll see if I can answer them. If I can't, maybe someone else can. And if you do subscribe, that'll help me a bunch to grow this channel and post more videos like this. Peace out and see you in the next one.